Welcome to From Our Perspective. Today, I'm joined by attorney Matthew Hamblin. He holds insurance companies accountable for their actions when they deny or delay valid claims. Today, we're talking about a case involving hail damage and the settlement he reached with the insurance company. Matthew, thank you so much for joining me today. Tell me more about our client and what had happened to his roof.
Stuart, he lives here in Denver. He had a pretty extreme hailstorm come in June 28th of 2023. It managed to destroy his roof and his detached garage, causing some pretty significant hail damage.
And how did the insurance claim process unfold in this case?
Well, Stuart did what anybody else would do. He called his insurance company. They came out, did an initial inspection. They found damage to the detached garage, agreed to replace that, but ultimately did not agree to replace the roof of his home.
And what were some of those delays and roadblocks that our client faced?
He went and got his own contractor. His contractor took a look at the roof himself. Contractor found way more hail damage than the insurance company found. Enough hail damage to warrant full replacement of the roof. Stuart gets this information. He contacts his insurance company and says, hey, you guys need to look at this. The insurance company said, we'll get someone out there on October 6th. Insurance sends a field adjuster out. They take pictures, says, yep, we need to replace this roof. Okay. Stuart waits, and he waits. Around October 31st, okay, he contacts his insurance company and says, hey, where's the results of this second inspection? They tell him, what second inspection? You've had multiple inspections on your property. None of this makes any sense. So Stuart decides to contact us. It isn't until February of next year where the insurance company admits, yeah, we sent someone out there. They took some photographs. We didn't look at them.
And once you were involved, how did you push for a fair resolution?
So we said that's unacceptable. You guys need to come out and do a proper reinspection. They do the reinspection, I believe, in the end of February of the next year. They approve a full roof replacement. But we didn't stop there. We then filed a lawsuit for unreasonable delay and denial. Their failure to identify the damage to the roof, the obvious damage to the roof, their failure to communicate with their client and say, we didn't take a look at these photographs, to not do a reinspection was unreasonable.
You touched on it, but this case also involved bad faith insurance practices. Can you explain exactly what that means here in Colorado?
Colorado has a statute. It's unreasonable delay denial statute. If your insurance company unreasonably denies your claim or delays payment of your claim, again, unreasonably, you can get 2 times the amount that they denied or delayed, plus attorney's fees and costs.
Mm-hmm. And ultimately, what was the outcome in this case?
In this case, we were able to obtain more than double what was delayed and denied.
And what advice would you have, Matt, for any homeowner who might be in a similar situation with their insurance company?
My advice would be to do what Stuart did in this case, which helped him out at the end. He kept the ball in the insurance company's court. He didn't just accept what they told him. He said, where is my estimate? What are you going to do about my roof? Don't just accept what they give you. Push back, ask for another inspection. And when they tell you no, and when they refuse to do things reasonably and promptly, call an attorney.
Great advice, Matt. Thank you for sharing your perspective.
Thank you.
If you are dealing with hail damage and your insurance company is delaying or denying your claim, our team can help you. Reach out to us for a case assessment on our website or give us a call.